on us.
Quiet, I'm working.
So am I.
There it is, Looney Tunes. Here we go. Booyah.
Got it?
Pressure alarm. Shit. I need an exfil.
Great. Got it. What's the next film?
Helle, maak mijn schoenen roezen tellen.
Oh, shit.
Hand over the artifact.
Did someone find you?
Yeah, I got this. This guy is history.
Is that a catchphrase?
Maybe.
Abort catchphrase!
Nah.
Holy shit! How are you so awesome?
You tell me. I got this.
This guy is history.
Was that a catchphrase? Maybe. Abort catchphrase!
How are you so awesome? I don't know. You tell me.
What do I care? The world's ending anyway.
Wouldn't sweat it, Chuck E. Cheese. I'm just here to do my part.
And what?
Saving it.
Americans.
Well, howdy there, little lady. You mind if I jaw with you for a moment? Well, me and my posse, we was down by the watering hole. By gum, we was set upon by bandits. And those bandits, they robbed us. Up, down, and in between, and sideways. And they sure took their time doing it. Yeah. Who are you?
I'm Takusu, or the Sixika.
You should really do movie trailers.
Holy shit! Guys, I found something. Come on, out of bed, let's move. Besides, I know what you're doing in there. Better be careful this time. Butt stuff only.
You must be Jennifer? Oh, right. A bartender. I took a cab uptown from the Bronx. Uptown from the Bronx? Smelled like springtime after the rain, so I'd like a martini, stirred, not shaken, with,
Four alls on the side.
Is this really necessary?
Good. Now listen. My name is Jennifer Goines, and I...
From the future, I know.
Okay. My friends Cole and Cassie.
Are in trouble? Got it.
Now we have to be very careful because...
The Army of the 12 Monkeys? This ain't my first rodeo, sister.
Fine! Worst spy ever! Listen, you want to kill Hitler? That's awesome. Totally down with that. We just want die Glocke.
Mein Führer, vielleicht wäre es besser, wenn...
Check it out, going out on the late night, looking tight, feeling nice. It's a cockfight, I can tell, I just know that it's going down tonight. At the bar we don't wait 'cause we know them. At the bar 6 shots just beginning. That's when Dickhead put his hands on me. But you see, I'm not here for your entertainment. You don't really want to mess with me tonight. Just stop and take a second. I was fine before you walked into my life. 'Cause you know it's over before it began. Keep your drink, just give me the money. It's just you and your hand tonight. Midnight, I'm drunk, I don't give up. Wanna dance by myself, yes, you're out of luck. Don't touch, back up, I'm not the one. Bye-bye, auf Wiedersehen.
You know, we do this, we might not both make it through.
I know.
I'm not here for your entertainment. You don't really want to mess with me tonight.
We need a distraction.
You got something in mind?
I saw a kinky boudoir upstairs.
You know it's over before it began. Keep your drink, just give me the money. It's just you and your hand tonight. Break it down. You're in the corner with your boys, you better high bucks. You get the girl that just walked in, but she thinks you suck. And didn't get all dressed up just for you to see. So quit spilling your drinks on me, yeah. You know who you are. High five and talking shiza, but you're going home alone, aren't ya? I'm not here for your entertainment. You don't really want to mess with me tonight. Just stop and take a second. I was fine before you walked into my life. You know it's over before it began. Keep your drink, just give me the money. It's just you and your hand tonight. You guys, did we just save Hitler?
Maybe not.
Is this what I think it is?
Jawohl.
Wanna unmake history?
Is that a detonator?
Yup.
Miss Goines, you have no idea what impact that could have on the timeline.
Kakariko Village. Zelda. Salutations. Hello, goats. I come in peace. Good grain. See the dragons on the field this morn. Eh. Greetings. Oh, gun. Oh, gun.
Pardon me, peculiar mistress. What brings thee here?
I am just doth passeth in through on mine, thine, thou'st way.
Jennifer!
Hotter eyes! Oh, Cassie!
Wow! Oh my God.
Oh, sorry. It's poop.
Oh.
Yeah. One does not simply walk into Mordor.
That's some Tolkien shit, right?
Yeah.
I snoozed through those.
Where are you going?
I gotta go do a thing. Don't worry. It's gonna be your idea soon enough.
There's nothing left in here. There's no voices, no visions. It's just a swirl of random symbols and spirals.
Who says they're random? Better get cracking, Egg.
Cole? Jennifer, hey, stay with me.
Jennifer.
Miss Goines, what happened?
It was all in here. Now it's all in there. Told you, Otter Eyes. He gave me yellow.
I could paint you the world.
You know your brand logo thing? Copyright the witness, TM? Well, I get it. It's Aramaic for the number 12. Mirrored to represent the beginning, the end, blah, 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 yada, 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 such and such. But just a few little tweaks. Looks like a little penis man. Is that because you're such a dick? And I come back to you now at the turn of the tide. Holy shit. Radio Egg, I'd like to request a song. Copy that, chicken. Yes. What are you doing? Good morning, Titan. This is J.H. Bond coming at you from WKRP in 2043. I'm rocking the time stream from AM to PM, from BC to AD. Now this one goes out to Tired and Titan. The sleepy, dulcet tones of Olivia Kirshner. Long-time listener, first-time witness, with a face for radio and a voice for NPR. Surprise, bitch!
I'm alive.
You're alive.
You were never crazy. You were the best of all of us.
Tell her I said hi.